SERV stock analysis. Tomorrow and onward in this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether SERV Robotics stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end. Right, it is sitting at 870 and it is a pretty interesting stock to say the least. Just for context, I'm sticking to a strategy that's delivered thousands of crap predictions previously, and now looking at SERV, even like with itself, is just a pretty tricky situation because it definitely gave me a double break. And all I can do right now is simply wait because my prediction is towards the upside. Now we can definitely start playing in like a lower time frame game where we double down on the bullishness if we start breaking up again. But yeah, as long as it stays above 708, then I'm good. The moment we start breaking above 1074 is the moment that I put a BE on, and it's made that therefore this will make it risk free. So let me know what is your opinion on SERV. If you want to learn the strategy, if you want to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description. It's a free course.